Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. Today I will be making 3 glam holiday DIYs for the home. You can use these for parties or weddings. I'm really excited to share these ideas with you guys because you know I love my glam. These are very easy and affordable. That's the best part, so I hope you enjoy. For the first project, you will need 3 square mirror coasters, 2 blocks of floral foam, 1 block of a 4-piece floral foam, 5 sets of silver poinsettias, and 1 white poinsettia set. Here I'm adding glue to the side of the foam, and then I'll attach the other block to make the base for the flower bouquet. Then I'm going to glue down 2 mini foam blocks on top to make a pyramid shape, and I'll add the third one on top of that. You can use whatever flowers you want for this project. You can go for all red flowers, gold, or a mix of both, and that would look really beautiful because of all the sparkle that they have on these flowers. I made one in the springtime and I love the way it came out, and a lot of you were requesting me to do a winter look, so of course I did it. So if you have any requests on what DIYs you want to see in winter season holiday decor, let me know. So here I'm just going to stick the poinsettias in the foam. You can add glue to the flowers for a more secure hold, but I thought this was just fine to do without hot glue. I'm starting off by going around the foam blocks until each area is covered. You might see foam between the flowers, so fill those gaps with the remaining flowers at the end. Are you done decorating for the holidays? I'm going kind of slow this season because we have been really busy this month. I just put away all the pumpkins in my dining room and wrapped them up for next year. I'm really excited for you guys to see this year's dining room tablescape. It will be glam, of course, but I want to include more greenery rather than the sparkle like I've done the past years. What colors are you decorating with? Are you decorating with the traditional colors, blush, silver, or gold? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know. I'm going to be using green, silver, and white in my decor. I added mini poinsettias that were covered in glitter to fill in the gaps at the end. Here I'm applying glue to the top of the foam block to add the mirror, and after the mirror is glued down, that's when I added the white poinsettias around it. This is how DIY number 1 turned out, you guys. This was so easy and the outcome was absolutely beautiful. You can set this arrangement anywhere in your home, for example the entryway table, the dining room table, or on top of the coffee table in your living room. If you're having a holiday party or a wedding, this would be an amazing DIY to make for each table, and it would look so pretty. It would look like you spend way more than what it cost. I added the mirrors on each side by just sliding them under the flowers. the second DIY in this video, you will need 4 sets of flowers, 1 framed mirror, and 8 square mirror coasters. I'm adding a drop of glue for each flower and go around with the flowers twice. I wanted this to look full, so I overlapped every other flower. I will be making a table mirror outlined by these really pretty poinsettias. They are the perfect flowers to go with for this winter season. I will be making a winter holiday glam dining room makeover using items from the Dollar Tree. I told you guys in a previous video that if that video hits 5,000 likes, then I would do it, and it's almost there, and I'll leave it linked below if you haven't seen it yet. So as soon as it hits 5,000 likes, I'll go ahead and post that. Here's how the second DIY turned out. I added the mirrors around the frame last without gluing them so I could use them later for something else. You can make this permanent by adding foam board under the arrangement and gluing the mirrors around with hot glue. I wanted this in my living room and decorated it with deer on the sides for the winter look. I also added some crystal pieces for the glam look. So far, which DIY is your favorite? For the last DIY in today's video, I will be showing you how to make a quick and easy winter decor piece. All you need is white paint, a brush, bling wrap, a glass vase, and 2 stem picks. I like to pour the paint on what I'm going to be painting rather than dipping my brush back and forth on a plate. Make sure you add something on the bottom so you don't spill paint everywhere. After the first coat was dried, I added the second coat on top. And here's how the last DIY turned out. I really like the way that this one turned out because it was very simple, but you can see the holiday and the winter season in it. It looks like a little glam rustic piece because of the paint and the way it's on the vase. You can place this piece just about anywhere in your home, for example on a coffee table, your bedroom nightstand, the bathroom, or the kitchen. I think that would give it just a beautiful little complement of this winter season. It's up to you where you want to place it, so I hope you're inspired. Let me know in the comments down below which DIY was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching and all your continued love and support. I appreciate you taking the time to write me. It means so much. I hope you take something from these ideas and decorate your home for the holidays. You can have glam decor on a budget here on my channel, so subscribe if you haven't. I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video.